Everyone has a story. Everything has a story. Everyone, everything is a story. We are all stories. We have to be kind and brave enough to listen to the stories around us.
ക്യാരറ്റ് വേണ്ട, ക്യാരറ്റ് വേണം.
Muhammad fresh carrot.
Everyone, everything is trying to tell some stories. Be the part of their stories. Create your stories. Be the story. Tell your stories. Rewind your stories. Listen to your own stories. Every bike ride is a story, and the rider is both the author and also playing the main lead role in the story of freedom, in the story of discovery, in the story of pure joy on the two wheels.
Anji niklahirna anji nyanubawa. Angkit tadi jatuh.
എനിക്ക് മാത്രമാണ് ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് ചെത്തത്. എതിരായിട്ട് മാറാം. ಅರ್ಧ ಪೆಟ್ಟು ಡೈರಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಪೆಟ್ಟು